gusto kong tanungin kasi yun ang susunod na tanong ko eh.
Sige,
Kasi parang siya nang may-ari ng South 99, Lucky South 99 eh. Madam Ronaldin, pirma po niyo ito?
Opo.
Natatandaan po ninyo na pinirmahan niyo itong sublease contract na ito.
Opo.
At ang nakalagay dito, it's this sublease agreement executed and entered into by and between Whirlwind Corporation as the sublessor and Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated as the sublessee. You were, in this document, kayo po ang nagre-represent sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. Tama po ba?
Sa totoo po niyan, Your Honor,
Sagutin mo lang po yung tanong ko, tama po ba yung sinabi ko? Eh kasi dito sa dokumento, itong dokumento, maski tanungin mo yung abogado mo, ay hindi maglalay o hindi magsisinungaling itong dokumento.
Opo, ako po yung nagpirma.
Oh, bakit? Bakit ikaw ang pumirma, Iha?
As per instruction po, kailangan ko pong pirmahan.
Kanino pong instruction?
Yun, gaya nga po ng sinabi.
Kanino pong instruction? Sagutin mo yung tanong ko. Hindi. Pangatlo na akong mag-move to cite you in contempt. At Iha, hindi kita pakukulong dito. Sinisiguro ko yun.
Sa attorney po. Galing po kay attorney.
Sinong attorney?
Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Mr. Chair, may I move that we invite also Attorney Medina so that we will find out kung sino po ang nag-uutos talaga dito.
siya ba yung under ng NFC law firm?
Hindi po.
Iba pa yung attorney Medina, hindi yan kasama doon sa lawyer mo yan?
Hindi po.
Sige, we'll be inviting the...
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman,
will you allow it, Congressman?
hindi, with regards to attorney.
Go ahead. I'm just asking.
Kasi pinapa-invite niya.
No, wait. Of course, kaya nga, I am just asking if he's going to allow you to interject. Let's put order. Okay? Sige, go ahead. So, we'll be inviting Attorney Medina. Anong first name niya? Anong first name ng Attorney Medina?
Attorney Medina lang po yung pagkakilala ko. Your Honor.
What?
Attorney Medina lang po.
Ang alam mo?
Opo.
How can we invite? There's a lot of Medina.
Sa may, sa may Clark, yung office.
Ano na?
Yung office niya po sa may Clark, malapit po.
What's the address ng ano? Sige, the COMSEC will coordinate with you. Go ahead, Congressman Akop.
Mr. Chair, if I remember it right, I think in one of the hearings we have, huwag ka magalit muna, we have already invited that Attorney Medina.
COMSEC, have we invited Attorney Medina already? Huh? Not yet daw.
Nagagalit na
Mr. Chairman,
You have invited the last
that's why I want to interject with regards to attorney Medina because that is my question to Dennis Cunanan and we invited him last hearing.
Okay. So, it was manifested the invitation on Attorney Medina in the last hearing. So, what's the pleasure of Congressman Paduano?
Sure, he's not wrong, no excuse. Then we will issue a cause order.
Okay. So, there's
And that's a motion, Mr.
there's a
Chairman.
motion to issue a show cause order to this person, Attorney Medina, which we have invited in the last hearing and never wala siyang communication with us. So, any second the motion? There's a second the motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Go ahead, Congressman Akop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I go back to Attorney or Secretary Roque?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, doon po sa pag-represent nyo sa Whirlwind Corporation, sa kaso, laban po kina Ronaldo Cruz, Froilan Cruz. Tama po ba ito?
Tama po yan.
Tama.
Yan po yan.
Now, what is the status of the case?
Ngayon po, nakabinbin po siya sa Court of Appeals kasi naghain po kami matapos ma-recall ang writ of execution, naghain po kami ng petition to annul judgment sa Court of Appeals. Tapos, dahil recall po ng RTC ang writ of execution, nakabinbin po ngayon sa MTC PORAC ang issue ng writ of execution habang nakabinbin din po sa Court of Appeals yung petition for annulment of judgment.
So, hindi po nadidesisyonan kung sino talaga ang may-ari?
Wala naman pong issue kung sino may-ari. Pag-aari po talaga ng Cruz. Ang issue lang is
Yes.
yung issue po ng possession at ang issue po is kung nabigyan pa ho ng due process ang Whirlwind doon sa pagdinig ng ejectment case. Kasi nga po, medyo komplikado kaya sana gusto ko nandito yung mga Cruz. Nagdidemandahan po yung anak at tatay na Cruz at ang nagpaupa po sa Whirlwind ay yung tatay na Cruz. At it so happen na ang registered owners pala ng lupa ay ang mga anak ng Cruz pero minimaintain naman ni tatay na Cruz na hindi naman sila nagpundar nun. But in any case, dahil ang mga anak po ang registered owner, sila po nagdemanda. Now, ang version po ng Whirlwind, hindi nila alam na nagdemanda ang mga anak ni Cruz dahil ang summons tinanggap ni tatay na Cruz at siya ang kumuha ng abogado para mag-appear for Whirlwind. Nung una po, nanalo yung abogado at na-dismiss ang kaso for ejectment sa MTC, pero nung na-appeal po sa RTC, na-reverse at yun nga po, nagkaroon ng writ of execution. At doon na po kami pumasok na meron ng writ of execution sa RTC.
Are you aware of the decision of the Court of Appeals?
Meron decision po, pero nagsahain po kami ng motion for reconsideration.
Ano po yung decision ng Court of Appeals?
Yung Court of Appeals decision po, natalo kami doon sa petition for annulment of judgment, pero may pending motion for reconsideration po kami. Ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, ng Court of Appeals, hindi po pwedeng annulment of judgment kasi nga ang nangyari, matapos magkaroon ng writ of execution, nagkaroon daw ng compromise agreement na pinasok naman ng Whirlwind. At dahil pumasok sila doon sa kasunduan na yon, ay hindi masasabi, parang na-cure yung defect doon sa hindi naman sila nabigyan ng pagkakataon na depensa ng sarili nila. At naniniwala po kami noon ang issue of law, kung mapapatunayan talaga na hindi sila binigyan ng pagkakataon na madinig ng hukuman, dapat talaga null and void yung decision. At lahat po ng compromise agreement na ipinasok sang-ayon sa isang null and void na decision ay null and void din. Yun po yung nakasaad sa aming motion for reconsideration.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, may I move that we re-invite the Cruz family in the next hearing? So move, Mr. Chair.
Yes, okay. There's a motion to invite the Cruz family. This will be the second time that we have invited them, but they have written us a letter of excuse. Have you seen the letter of excuse, Congressman? Okay. So, any second the motion? This duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I will, my questions will be asked when the Cruz family will honor our invitation. Marami pong salamat. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, may I like to manifest also that I'm now submitting a copy of the transfer certificate of title electronically to the committee secretary.
Okay, thank you so much, Secretary Roque.